Television news has come a very long way since this station first went on the air in October of 1960. And as we mark our 50th anniversary this month, Mike McCardle steps into our archives to celebrate some of the best storytelling over the years.
A wall of constant images and words from a world of images and words. No clicking of typewriters, no teletype machines.
What are you doing?
Doing? Us? We're taking a look around a super modern newsroom where words and images tell the stories that started long ago and never stop.
Well, the old newsroom doesn't exist anymore. It hasn't been around for more than 30 years. This is sort of a obscure storage area in the building, but the old newsroom looked something like this. And it was hard scrabble. The reporters sometimes just sat on stacks of newspapers watching 4-inch black and white TVs. But I was there the night that BCTV beat CBC in the ratings. Like, there was just cheering. We didn't even have coffee to toast with.
I'm hewing to that line, to hold the line on the budget. I know this is very difficult, if not impossible in 1962. Because
serious news, the budget. And on that same newscast, the monkey races at the PNE. This is the variety of stories that make a full plate of news. But monkeys, of course, are politically incorrect now, so they've been replaced by pig races. And the next day, the story of the election of a mayor. Politics, always some group that thinks they are smarter than the other groups. And people anxious, desperate to know. Followed by a snowball fight. The stories of 1962 are the stories of the past and the future. And at Smythe and Howe, the other hard news that never ends, a car crash. Unimportant, unless it changes your life.
We should remember that between seeing and believing must come understanding. So if there's an item that you'd like to know more about, please call us at Channel 8 TV News.
The little station in the boondocks of Burnaby looked around at the world of crime, corruption, heroism, and comedy and said, this is where I belong. The ratings grew and grew until it was #1. The magic ingredient? The stories.
Trials are not carried out and conducted and the accused condemned within the media.
Politicians condemned those who peeled away the onion skin, and politicians got into trouble all on their own.
He needed distraction, a political fog, when out of the east came the sound of a frog. And yeah, just fun.
It is a racist attitude. That's the way we look at it anyway, by using such terms. And it's not the first time that Mr. Van der Zandt uses terms like that.
And now the wave of the future. The new high-definition set that, starting this week, will bring you words and images so clear you'll be there.
There is sunshine in the south and rain in the north.